Here's a step-by-step guide on how to set up recurring payments, also known as recurring buys, on Fidelity. So there are 6 steps to doing this. Step number 1, log into your Fidelity account. So visit the Fidelity website and log in using your username and password. Then, if you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Step number 2, navigate to the Accounts and Trade tab. Once logged in, locate the Accounts and Trade tab in the top navigation bar. Then click on this tab to access the trading options and manage your investments. And step number 3 is to select the recurring purchases option. So in the Accounts and Trade section, look for the recurring purchases option. This might be under the trade or manage submenus depending on your account type. So select recurring purchases to begin setting up a schedule for automated investments. Step number 4 is to choose the account and investment for recurring buys. So select the investment account you want to use, for example your IRA, brokerage or other eligible accounts. Then pick the investment product, such as a specific mutual fund, stock or ETF. Then pick the investment product, such as a specific mutual fund, stock or ETF that you want to set up recurring purchases for. Then step number 5 is to enter the amount and frequency of your recurring buys. So enter the dollar amount you wish to invest regularly. Then choose the frequency of the recurring purchase, for example weekly, bi-weekly or monthly. Then ensure the amount and frequency match your financial plan and investment strategy. Then the final step is to review and confirm your recurring buys. So carefully review the details of your recurring buy order, including the investment, amount and schedule. Then make any necessary adjustments. And finally, once you are satisfied, confirm your recurring buy setup. Now for ongoing management, you can always return to the recurring purchases section to adjust or cancel your recurring buys as your financial goals or market conditions change. By automating your investments, you can consistently build your portfolio over time using strategies like dollar cost averaging while taking the guesswork out of trying to time the market. So this is how you can set up recurring payments or buys on Fidelity. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.